Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Nord, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into the device. So to get started, we will need a SIM eject tool, so you can use the one that comes provided with the device and the box, or just a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. And once you have it, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the phone, as you can see right here. And from here, simply place either a single SIM card or two SIM cards. You can place one on each side. And from there, simply pop it back into the phone and give it a second. There we go. Pin for the SIM card. Let's confirm that. And there we go. That is how you would insert a SIM card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.